last 2 years. And the fact that we're here, the fact that...
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. This radio is crazy. This radio is crazy. This is the Audiocrazy radio. I did a couple of videos on it already, and I've been trying to do a battery test on it. It's got a built-in battery. I don't know what the capacity is, but this radio has been playing on that battery. No AC adapter, no D cells, just that internal battery. It's been playing for 3 days and still playing. This is crazy. This is insane. I don't know what's going on. There's no solar panel or anything like that. I don't know how it keeps playing. So I've been trying to do a test on the battery to see how you charge it. I still don't know how you charge it. I don't know if you charge it using the AC adapter or putting in the D cells. I can't get it to discharge to figure out how to charge it. 3 days this thing's been playing at kind of normal volume, maybe a little lower than normal, more than adequate for me. It's just insane. And this radio is $29 on Amazon. It has, now that I've used it for a while, there's a couple of things I don't like about it, but they're not showstoppers. One is the volume control goes from 0. Whoops, I hit I hit the station, the tuning knob. It goes from 0 volume to more than adequate in just a little turn of the dial. So that's one thing I don't like. The tuning knob is, although it's smooth, it's not very precise. So it moves across the dial pretty fast. Really hard to tune shortwave. AM and FM, no problem. But shortwave, it's tough. You have to tune past it, and then you miss it, and you have to go back. You have to go back. You have to do that 2 or 3 times. So shortwave, it's a little tough. Plus, shortwave right now is not doing too good. Although this week, the solar flux index is 3 digits, 116. And according to the doctor, the solar doctor, it's going to stay that way all week and weekend. So I'm looking forward to that. But, with this little built-in antenna, you're not going to get much on shortwave. I have done a little bit of testing with an antenna clipped onto it. It's a 20-foot wire antenna clipped to it. And I can receive some shortwave stations. So it does receive shortwave, just not very good. But I don't understand this battery life. And I don't know what the capacity of the battery is. But I'm going to keep testing it and see if I can actually drain that battery eventually, and then figure out how it's charged, whether it's AC or DC charged. So this is insane. This is one crazy radio. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.